friends, it's Aztec. All the access granted. It's JBL Flip 4 Indian retail unit. Let's hook up to its unboxing. On the first physical impressions of the box is really well. It is packed up in a magnetic box with two small boxes inside it and a main JBL speaker, which is quite heavy and looks really well. It is sturdy speaker with a good JBL logo, and the base radiators are made up of fiber, which suits it very well. And the black color is also a lot good. So let's keep it aside and see on the boxes we get. We get a micro USB cable for charging and some of the user manuals, which are really of less use, but still we get them. Let's keep it aside and see our main speaker. And the speaker, this is it. We get a power button, a JBL connect button with a cover to cover the AUX cable and a micro USB port, which is used for charging. This speaker is IPX7 certified, which means you can dip the speaker into water for about 30 minutes and the speaker will still work. So without wasting a single moment, let's turn this guy on. And the speaker is now turned on with its old starting sound. We do get a Bluetooth button with volume up and down button and with an extra button. And the device is now connected. We also get a carrying rope, which is like a shoelace. And the base radiators are really well built. We'll be firing some stuff in a moment. And this is actually a shoelace, not like a, but still it feels good because it is original JBL. Yeah, just look at those base radiators. They have lots of vibration, which gives you a lot of satisfaction. And when you see those base radiators vibrating, it gives your mind the feeling that yeah, 8,000 rupees are not waste. The sound quality of this speaker is simply great. The volume is also very high when compared to indoor. And a full review of the speaker will be on my channel in a very few days. I will be testing the speaker and will do a full water test, not just splash test. Just wait till the end of the video, there is a splash test coming. Now it's time for a splash test. 1, 2, 3, go!